Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial video of how to use Tradingview. I'm going to show you step-by-step ways in which you can use Tradingview. If you're a beginner, this video is for you. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a bonus tip on how to actually use Tradingview. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to be going through is how to install Tradingview, how to customize your charts, how to change the candlestick colors, how to use Tradingview tools, how to set alarm in Tradingview, general overview of Tradingview. So that's what we are going to be looking at today. Without wasting much of your time, this is what I'm going to do right away. There's two ways in which you can use Tradingview. You can decide to just type in Tradingview on your browser, tradingview.com, and you will start using Tradingview. But if you want to download it, you want to download Tradingview on your PC or your phone, anywhere, type download Tradingview for PC. So when you click on download Tradingview for PC, to bring Tradingview desktop application. In Tradingview desktop, you're going to scroll down, see for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. So guys, after you download it finish, so you're going to have something like this. So coming to this bar, these are the currency pairs that we have here. This is stocks and futures. You can decide to rearrange these things the way you want. You can decide to change their names, rename and stuff. You can decide to like regroup, carry this stock and good to anywhere you want. So you have to just arrange it the way you want. This currency pairs, just have to arrange it the way you resonate with. So if you want to add any currency pair, because looking at this place now, you can see that not all currency pairs are here. If you want to add, all you have to do is click on this plus icon here, click on it. So let's say I want to add Euro JPY. So this is Euro JPY. I'm going to click on one of these. I like to click on forex.com, add to wish list. So if you want to see Euro JPY, this is where Euro JPY is, down here. So if you like, I want to carry it up, you have to click on it and drag it and keep it here. I want it to be closer to USD JPY. So let's start analyzing the chart immediately. Let's analyze USD JPY. We're going to click on the chart. So it's going to bring you to this page. You click on see super chart. So at first, when you open your chart, this is how your chart is going to look like. This down here is actually volume. Once you open your chart, it's going to look like something like this, but I actually don't use volume to trade, so I'm just going to click on this volume and I'm going to click on remove. So my chart is better like this. So guys, if you want this wish list to just disappear, for you to have a wider screen, you have to click on this place. So you have a wider screen. If you want to see that place again, you have to just click on it and it will come out again. So that's it. So first of all, I want to show you guys how to customize your chart. If you look at here, if you want to change the candlestick color, this is where you do it. You want to change your time frame, want to put any time frame, maybe you are looking for, maybe you're in Chicago or anywhere, and just change your time frame here. So guys, I'm going to show you how to add trend line now and how to add tools on your chart, how to add level. So you can see this chart is looking dry right now, so you have to just click here. When you click here, you see trend line, you click on trend line right here. This is trend line. So this is our trend line. If you want straight line, straight horizontal line, this is straight horizontal line here. Okay, if you want straight horizontal line but a different one, this is it. The one that you can see somewhere here. See, this one starts from here, So guys, the next thing you want to do, if you want to change the color of this line, when you click on it, just come here. If you want to make it blue, and if you want to make it bigger, and this one also, if you want to make it blue, if you want to make it bigger. So it all depends on what you like. You can change it to any color you want. You can change the lines to any color you want. To make it tiny, you can make it bigger. If you want to delete the line, just click on it and delete. And also, if you don't want your lines to disappear, or mistakenly delete, all you have to do is to just come up here and click on lock. So it has already locked. So whatever you are doing on your chart right now, this line here can never go. Okay, so even if you click on it, nothing will happen because you have already locked it. If you want to move it now, it's not going to move anywhere. But if you click on unlock, okay, that's it, you can move it the way you want. So that's basically it. Let me delete them. Click delete. So that's for it. All these tools here, I don't actually use them. So for this one is Fibonacci retracement. When you click on the Fibonacci retracement, let's say for instance you are looking for a retracement. Okay, let's say you want to know, you have to just put in the retracement right here, then drag it up. So as you can see, this is a 61 and 50% retracement. So you can see as market rallied up and came down to this side, it's also busted up and continue to go up. That's how to use Fibonacci. So for these tools, for this pattern, there's a lot of pattern here. I don't actually use any of this pattern. If you use it, that's fine. For this place, for those people that want to buy or want to sell, so this is long position and this is short position. Okay, long position means when you want to buy, and short position means when you want to sell. Okay, so for instance, this chart right here is buying USD so you can see already. So what you have to do is to just come to your projection, click on buy, then put it somewhere here, then adjust your stop loss to something like this. Okay, then your TP up here. Okay, so something like this. Now what this thing helps, this tool here, this projection here, helps you to know where your TP is located and where your stop loss is also located. For instance, now if I'm about to enter this trade now, my MetaTrader 5 or 4, I'll just come here. This is my TP right here. As you can see, 154.551. Yeah, this is where I entered the trade. So you can see 150.161. So this is my stop loss right here. My stop loss is 149.387. So this thing basically shows your stop loss. So this pattern basically shows your stop loss and everything. Okay, and let's say for instance you want to short, maybe after analyzing you found out that this is going down, you want to enter short position. All you have to come here, click on it. Short position means it's going down. Just put it somewhere here, then put in your stop loss here, and also here how many percent of pips you are going to lose in a chart. So for this one, so you can see here, this is 51 pips here. So let's say I'm losing 51 pips for how many pips? 399.9 pips. Okay, this is where you see the pips. As you can see here, this one is 51 pips. So I'm risking this particular section here is 51. Okay, so you don't have to start counting pips. This tool also helps you to count pips for you. It makes your life easier. Okay, but there's another tool which you can use to count your pips. As you can see, there's a ruler here, measure tool. Once you click on the tool, let's say you want to know the pips from here to here. So you can see, just right click on it and drag it up. So from here now to up here is about 431.1 pips. Okay, so that's another measuring tool. For those of you that are looking for ways in which you can add level to your chart, this is the right video for you. So this is what you do if you want to add level to your chart. Just click here, or this is rectangle. You have to do is to just come and drag it. Okay, if you want to double it, all you have to do is to just click on it, then click on clone. You double it. Any tool that you want to use 2 times, you can decide to clone them. Even if it's Trendline, just like click on it and clone it. So what else you have to do if you want to customize? Maybe you don't like the color of this level here. All you have to do is to just click on it, come here, change the color. If you want it to be, let's say you want it to be red, the line to be red, and if you want inside to be, let's say, yellow, that is a bad combination. Let's say the line should be something like dark, and inside should be something like yeah, something like this. Okay, so it depends on how you want your chart to look like, how you want your levels to look like. So just design what suits you most. Okay, I'm just going to delete this. I'll delete this one also. If you want to actually know the best time frame, if you want to trade, you want to know the best time frame in which you can use and trade. This is 1 hour time frame up here, this is 4 hours, this is daily. Okay, let's say for instance now you want to check, let's say you want to check 2 hours time frame. All you have to do is to just come here. Or you want to check 15 minutes time frame, what you have to do is to just come here, then scroll down. So you can see there's 1 minute. From all these 1 seconds, 30 seconds, you can use this. This is like actually a paid, you have to pay money, you have to pay to Tradingview to be able to access these time frames. Okay, what are the ones that are free is from about 1 minute to 3 months. All right, yes. So as for me, as you can see, these are my favorite time frame: 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. So if you want to actually put, let's say 15 minutes is your favorite, all you have to do is to just come here and click on it. Okay, let's say 30 minutes is your favorite, just come here and click on it. Anyone that is not your favorite, just click on them, click on them, click on them. So just leave your favorite up here, as you can see right here. These are my favorite at the moment. So that's basically it. Let me go back to 4 hour time frame. So that's it. If you want to expand your chart, just come here, use your 2 thumb or your touchpad and be scrolling it. That's how to expand it. And if you want to like expand this place also, put your 2 thumb also and try and shift your 2 thumbs away from each other on the touchpad. So something like this, it's going to shift. So this is indicators. You want to add any indicator to your chart, this is where you come. If you want to add moving average, all you have to do is to just come here and type moving average. If you want to use stochastic oscillator, anyone that you think you're good with, just come here and type it. It will show and you just click on it and add. It's as simple as ABC. If you want to take a quick screenshot of your screen, just come here, take a snapshot. So download image. It has already downloaded the image right here, so you can send it out or send it out to your community, or you want to show somebody. So I want to a bonus tip. I want to show you guys how to set alerts on your laptops. So let me say for instance right now you want to buy when the market rallied up to this place and you want to set alert. All you have to do is to just click on this, then click on alert, put the price. Okay, as you can see now 150.83. When I click on alert name, just write something, buy, write something here, buy, click on create. So as price gets here, it's going to alert you on your phone or your laptop. So it's just going to show you alert, it's time for you to buy, and you finally buy it. If you're still confused or you need more clarification in what I just said, drop a comment on the comment section so that maybe I can do another detailed view on how to use Tradingview. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Take care of yourself.